Welcome to the Recipe Ingredient Calculator, your go-to tool for managing ingredients and costs. It's perfect for restaurants, cafes, catering, or any food business with big orders. With this file, you can quickly figure out ingredient amounts, plan bulk purchases, set the right prices, and boost your profits. What this file can do. Here's what you'll love about this tool. Enter sales numbers to see ingredient use. Add order quantities to plan sub-recipes and purchases. Quickly calculate costs for large orders to price them right. Multiply or divide recipes easily. Find recipe costs and profit margins based on selling prices. First, let's clarify a few key terms you'll see in this guide. Sub-recipes. These are smaller components used in larger dishes. Example, a burger's beef patty or special sauce are sub-recipes. They're prepped separately and combined later. Batch size. The quantity of a sub-recipe or ingredient made at once. Example, prepping 20 patties in one go instead of cooking them individually. Wastage percentage. The amount of ingredients lost during prep, like peeling potatoes or trimming fat. Example, buying 1 kilogram of meat but only 900 grams is usable, so 10% wastage. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up the file. Open the setup sheet. Here's what to do. In column B, enter measurement units, like grams, milliliters, pieces. Add more if you need to. In column D, list recipe categories. Think burgers, salads, or pasta based on your menu. In column F, you'll see 4 category groups: ingredients, packaging, and sub-recipes. Keep these groups as default. In column H, add an add-on category, like extra toppings, or add-on, make sure it matches the category in column D. Double-check everything before moving on. Accurate data keeps it all running smoothly. Step 2. Entering ingredients. Now, go to the ingredient list sheet. List every ingredient your restaurant uses. Give each one a unique ingredient code. The ID must start with the 3 characters ING. No duplicates, or the system will flag it in red like this. Set 2 measurement units. Purchase unit, like a bag, box, kilogram. Usage unit, like grams, milliliters, ounce, fluid ounce, or pieces. If an ingredient needs no prep, just use the smallest unit. Wastage percentage. Account for weight loss during prep, e.g. trimming meat or peeling potatoes, by entering an estimated percentage. Here's a quick guide to units. Purchase unit is how you buy it, a box or pack. Usage unit, mean smallest unit, is how you measure when using it, ounces or slices. For example, with milk, if you buy it in cartons but use it in fluid ounce, you should enter the packaging size as stated on the carton. For instance, if 1 carton contains 1 gallon, then in the pack size per usage unit column, enter 128. Another example. If you buy beef by pound but use it in ounce, enter 16 in the pack size per usage unit column, since 1 pound equals 16 ounces. In some cases, raw ingredients require minimal processing before use. For instance, a canned peach contains 3 whole peaches. When preparing it, you slice the peaches into 30 individual slices. In this case, enter can as the purchase unit. Enter 30 in the pack size per usage unit column, since 1 can equals 30 slices. Enter slice as the usage unit instead of grams. Tip: save a backup of your file before big changes. Step 3. Entering sub-recipes. Head to the sub-recipes sheet. 1. List your sub-recipes, like beef patty, mushroom cream sauce, or spicy sauce. 2. Assign each a unique code. 3. Set the batch size, how much you make at once. 4. Add usage unit for sub-recipes. Then, jump to the ingredient specification for sub-recipes sheet. 1. Pick a sub-recipe. 2. Pick ingredients. 3. Add amounts you need in usage quantity column. The cost calculates itself. For example, mushroom cream sauce might need white mushrooms, 20 ounce heavy creams, 17 ounce. Butter, 7 ounce. Garlic, 1.8 ounce. The total cost pops up automatically. Apply the same method for other sub-recipes. Step 4. Listing recipes. Move to the recipes list sheet. 1. List your menu items and their selling prices. 2. In the quantity column, enter 1, which corresponds to 1 serving. Next, go to the ingredient specification for recipes sheet. 1. Choose a recipe. 2. Pick sub-recipes and ingredients. 3. Enter amounts per serving. Costs calculate on their own. For a spicy beef burger, you might use 1 beef patty sub-recipe, 1.5 fluid ounce spicy sauce, 1 burger bun, 0.8 ounce lettuce. Enter, and you'll see the price appear instantly. Just repeat this process for other dishes. Note, if you've already entered all the data but need to add another row, don't insert a new row directly, as it may cause spreadsheet errors. Instead, copy the existing items and quantities, move them down by 1 row, and paste them. Then, delete the name in the new row and add the new ingredient you need. Done. Check the home sheet. It shows average cost percentage, top earners, pricing tweaks, and menu ideas. Using the bulk order calculator. Got a big order coming up? This tool's got you covered. Once recipes and prices are set, it's ready to roll. All your recipes will show up here. Say you get an order for 50 spicy beef burgers, 50 grilled chicken salads, 30 creamy mushroom pastas, 20 mashed potatoes with mushroom cream sauce. Enter 50, 50, 30, 20 in the quantity column and hit Enter. You'll see sub-recipes needed, raw ingredients to buy, total order cost right at the top. Want to track daily use? Just enter sales numbers, like 100 or 200, and watch it estimate your ingredient needs. Using the Resize tool sheet. Want to adjust recipe sizes based on what you have on hand? Head over to the Resize tool sheet. This feature makes it super easy to scale both sub-recipes and recipes based on available ingredients. Let's say you normally make 1 batch of mushroom cream sauce using 20 ounces of white mushrooms. But today, you're only open for half the day and have just 12 ounces of mushrooms left. How do you adjust the whole recipe? It's simple. First, select mushroom cream sauce from the drop-down. Then, pick the ingredient you want to resize. In this case, white mushrooms. The unit of measurement will appear automatically. Enter the amount you have, let's say 12 ounces, and press Enter. Instantly, you'll see all the other ingredients recalculated to match the new amount, perfectly scaled down, keeping the exact same ratio. You'll also see the total cost updated based on the new quantities. How cool is that? Want to do the same for full recipes? The steps are just as easy. Pick a recipe, select the key ingredient you want to adjust, enter the new amount, hit enter, and you've got your new proportions and costs just like that. You're all set. Thank you for using this guide.